Saving money while enjoying corn can always be done in several ways. Here are some tips for you. Number one, buy in bulk. Purchase fresh corn when it's in season, or buy frozen or canned corn in bulk. This often saves money compared to buying smaller packages. Number two, grow your own. So if you have space, consider growing corn in the garden. It's relatively easy to grow and you can save money over time. Number three, use corn in multiple dishes. So incorporate corn into various recipes like casseroles, soups, salads to make the most of what you buy. Number four, make corn-based dishes. All right, so basically create meals like corn chowder or corn fritters or cornbread, which are filling and budget friendly. All right. Now, number five, freeze extras. If you buy fresh corn and you can't use it all, freeze it for later use. All right. Blanch the corn before freezing to preserve its flavor and texture. Number six, shop for sales. So basically look for sales or discounts on corn, especially during peak season. Farmers market can also offer very good prices. Number seven, try different forms. So explore buying corn in various forms, such as frozen or canned, which can sometimes be cheaper and more convenient than buying fresh. And by following these tips, you can enjoy corn and save money.